Hello everyone, welcome. In this short video, I will show you how to remove green light in Adobe After Effects. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open up your effects and presets. Then you need to type in key light. So let me delete it. Key light. So you need this setting. Alright, now drag this thing onto the video that has a green screen. And now guys, in the top left, as you can see, there's this icon here, the small one, like a syringe or something. Click on it and click on the green part of your video. And now, let me make it a bit bigger, if I play it, as you can see, now there's no green stuff and only our animation inside. Thank you for watching. This is simple and easy. You can do this quickly now after watching this tutorial. Hopefully this helps guys. Like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.